Hi everyone. So today you can see this is a Range Rover Evoque which has come to Auto Rounders for a customization job. So basically this car will be customizing from outside and inside both. So there are a lot of small things which we are going to change, like the grille. We'll be painting this into gloss black. There are a few portions over here in gloss black, satin matte, red. So a lot of small customization jobs are there on the outer side. Even the alloy wheels, you can see, we will be painting the alloys into gloss black. This part will also get painted. So exterior, you can see how this is. It is a stock exterior car. So even at the rear you can see these silver lines in the skirts, diffuser, all these things we will be painting. Small things like below the spoiler also, which is in matte, will be painted. But the major customization that will happen will be in the interior. You can see this is the stock interior of the car. Everything is black. So with the usage over the year, the seats have become little hard. So when you sit, you don't feel comfortable. So to solve this, we are going to replace the seat covers with genuine Napa leather, which is the best quality leather that we will be doing in this car. So I'm showing you the interior, how it is right now. And then I'll show you once the job is done how the fitting is. So you can see right now also all these wrinkles and everything is there because leather generally has wrinkles. Whenever you do genuine leather, you will find wrinkles in that. That's the property of leather. But as I said, we'll be doing it in Napa leather, which is one of the finest leather you will find in the industry. It's complete imported leather. So stay tuned guys. While we will do all these things, there are a few things like all these panels which have gone bad will be painted back in the black color only. So we'll update you once the project is complete. Thank you guys. Hi everyone. So you can see now this Range Rover Evoque is completely ready. So in the before video you must have seen that how the car was looking, and now it's a complete sporty looking Range Rover Evoque. There are a lot of small things which we had said that you will be doing in this car. Let me show you each and everything. The first thing you can see, the logos are now in black. So the earlier shade of silver on red versus now this black on red is a totally different look. This looks much more sporty. Even the grille you can see has been completely painted in gloss black. So the front cladding, all this has been painted in gloss black. This was silver, now it has been painted in the body color. And this honeycomb grille everywhere. So this is what attention to detail is. This honeycomb grille is in satin matte black and this is in gloss black. So that's where we gave a break, otherwise everything will look gloss black. So we gave a break here and we gave different colors to different parts. So you can see the finishing, everything is perfect. Even as I said, the small parts, these are in satin matte black. Let me show you the alloy wheels. So guys, we have painted the alloy wheels also in gloss black, and the brake calipers are in Ferrari red. Again on the sides, these things has been painted in gloss black, and this has, which was a silver part, is now actually in body color. And yeah, even this part, so this was also silver color. So as I said, the honeycomb part is in satin matte and the outer part is in gloss black. The mirror again painted in gloss black. So these are all the small things which we have done. All these part has been painted in gloss black. Even at the rear also, this was a silver color, now painted to gloss black. The logos again in gloss black. The lower part of this, which was matte finish, now is in gloss black. All this again in gloss black. So here we have given a brake, like this is gloss black, this is satin matte, and this is gloss black. So I'm not sure in this video how much I'm able to capture, but yeah, when you see it in person, you can see the difference and how it's looking. We have done this exhaust tip aftermarket. Mud flaps are missing in this car. We have put the mud flap. And now let me show you the most interesting part, which is the interior. So guys, this is I think I can say that one of the best seat covers or the interior customization job done till date. So you can see the door pad is in leather. Now guys, this is genuine leather, and that's Napa, Italy. This is very difficult to get this kind of quality, because when you go to the market you get leather but not the genuine Napa leather. And believe me, when you will see this car in person, or when you will touch and feel this, the softness. So in the before video I had shown that the existing leather, which was in black color, got hard over the year of usage. But now when you touch this, this is one of the finest leather that we have done. And as per client request, we had ordered this Napa genuine leather. The steering wheel you can see again in genuine leather with stitching matching to the seat covers and a piano black wooden finish. Even the dashboard portion you can see has been done in leather. The armrest also is in leather. So this finishing you get when you do custom made jobs and not ready made jobs, because these kind of seat covers, it's not very easy to make. No one does this job easily because it's a very professional job for all these premium cars. We have also put the 3D mats in this, which was custom made for this car. So you can see each and every detail, and that's the softness of the car which the client wanted, and it was missing in the earlier black color seat covers. Though it was genuine leather, but yeah, over the year it became hard. So there were small things like, these parts had lot of scratches. So we have painted these parts. Even at the front also we have painted all the plastic parts. All these parts you can see has been painted. That's why it's looking very fresh. So guys, as I said, in case if you want to get any such premium jobs done, and you don't find reliable people, you can actually call Autorondos on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai, and we specialize in such premium jobs. And you must have seen a lot of our conversion projects of Mercedes, Maybach conversions, and a lot of other premium cars that we have done. So we specialize in that. You can call us, and very soon, yeah, we'll be in Hyderabad. So see you there also in the Jan 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. So now finally we are delivering the cars, and that's our customer Satyam and Mr. Ganesh. So that's the Range Rover, which I think was the first custom experience. I think you designed the way you guys wanted.
Absolutely.
So please share your feedback about the work and the quality, whatever you feel like, please.
Yeah, it's like what should I say about it? Amazing experience. The first thing, I got this car a month back, and I always told let us get into auto rounders, customize it the way I want to, and beautifully done. It's not. I'm just saying it for the sake of it. Very impressive. The best part about the entire thing is Satish made sure that he does not put things on you. He gives his views. He tells you what's the best. What should be done, what should not be done. That's a very good experience that I believe I got from auto rounders. Could be the seats that I put, could be the kind of colors or the kind of interiors I wanted to it. Auto rounders made sure that I got the best out of it, and I'm really happy and satisfied. And this is the start of a long-term relationship with auto rounders with many more cars to come. I wish them all the best. They are doing excellent, and all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you
And
so much.
Satyam, so Satyam was coordinating everything. Please come in front. So he was coordinating everything, and I think half of the job was done by Satyam. I can really say that, or maybe more than that. So right from the fabric selection, so we had a confusion between the regular leather versus imported leather versus genuine Napa leather, and we took a day for that, and finally the outcome is beautiful. Satyam, so if you can say something. So thank you guys. So Satyam is he likes to work but not talk, I think.
Yeah.
So most of the things was decided between me and Satyam, and now we are delivering. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.